Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to set a sleep timer for any media app on your iPhone. And what may come as a surprise, now we're actually going to use the clock app. So let's open up the clock app. Now with the clock app open, you want the timer here in the bottom right hand corner. Now the first thing to do is actually set when you want the media to stop playing. So for instance, let's do 1 minute. Then what you want to select then is when timer ends. It's currently set to radar. What you want to do is swipe all the way to the bottom and then press stop playing. And then select set in the top right hand corner. Now what will happen here, once the timer ends, all the media will stop playing. So let's press start to start the timer. Now whatever you're watching, say for instance Netflix or YouTube, after 1 minute your media or that application that you have open will stop playing. So let's leave it and let's see if it works. And as you can see, after a minute my media has stopped playing and my iPhone is shut to the lock screen. So this is a perfect way of turning off media when you're in bed, for instance, or when you want it just to stop after a certain amount of time. Hope this helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.